Let's make this chatpata chicken fry. Start off by taking 500 grams of chicken in a bowl. To it add a teaspoon of salt, red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I prefer using homemade paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd to it and mix well using a spoon or your hand. I suggest you use chicken with bones as it gives a better taste. Keep the chicken in the refrigerator and freeze for 2 hours. We'll have to dry roast some spices now. Into a pan, add half teaspoon each of cumin and coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cloves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 6 black peppercorns, 3 cardamom pods, and 1 bay leaf. Dry roast this and grind to a fine powder once it cools down and set it aside. Into the same pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Keep the flame on a medium. Once it starts heating, add 6 garlic cloves that are minced. Saute them. Then add an onion that is finely chopped. Continue sauteing till the onions change color and become translucent. Then add an inch of ginger that is finely chopped and a tablespoon of finely chopped green chilli. Saute this for a few seconds. Now add 2 tomatoes that are finely chopped. Cook for a while. And then add some salt as per your taste, half teaspoon red chilli powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. Continue stirring. When the oil has separated from the masala and the tomatoes have turned mushy, turn the flame to a low and add the ground roasted masala. Mix it well with the masala, then add a tablespoon of curd. Mix it. Then add the marinated chicken in. Fry it on a high heat for 5 minutes. Let the chicken brown a little. Once the chicken has browned, add a cup of water. I added some water into the vessel that I marinated the chicken in and use that so the masala does not go to waste. Gently mix and then close the lid. Cook the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes while stirring once in between to prevent it from burning. Once the chicken has cooked, remove the lid. Give it a quick stir and add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it with the chicken and then turn off the flame. Serve hot and enjoy!